Hello kids, I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will learn about the comparison. First we will learn about the big and small comparison. First we have the elephant, which is big, and the rabbit, which is small. Now we will see the watermelon, which is big. Now we have the orange, which is small. Now we will see the bucket. Bucket is big. Then the mug. Mug is small. Now we will learn the long and short. The train is long and the bus is short. Now we will learn about the pen. Pen is long, and the pencil, which is shorter than the pen. Now we see the snake, which is longer than the turtle. The turtle is short. Now we will move forward to the tall and short. The ant is tall, the girl is short, and the Qutub Minar is tall, the tree is short. Now we see the ladder is tall and the table is short. Very good kids. Now move forward to the heavy and light. The uncle is heavy and the kid is light. Now we have the stone, which is heavier than a leaf, which is light. Now we see the other picture, which shows the truck, which is heavier than a car, which is light. Now we will see thick and thin. The blanket is thick and the bed sheet is thin. Now we will move forward with the book. The book is thick and the notebook is thin. Now we see the candle. The bigger candle is thick and the shorter candle is thin. Now we will move forward with the high and the low. Airplane flies in the sky, which is the high, and the bus is low because it runs on the land. Now we can see the image. In the first one, the kid is flying higher than the other kid. Then the small kid is flying lower than the other kid. Then we can clearly see the difference between high and low. Now this chicken is in the low and the higher is the parrot, which is on the house. Now we will see the activity. Now take right the big object and cross to the small object. First you can see the saucer ball, and the other is tennis ball, which is bigger, the saucer ball. Now move forward with the another. Now we will color the long rope blue and the short rope red. The first one is the longer rope and the shorter is the second rope. Now move forward with the other. Color the tall one brown and the short one yellow. Is the taller one? Yes. Take right the heavy object and cross the light object. First is the weight and the other is wool. Which is the lighter one? This is wool, and heavier one is the heavy weight. Very good kids. Now move forward to take right the high object and the cross to the low object. Next move forward with the airplane and the bus. High is the airplane. Take right to the airplane, and low is the bus. Cross to the lower one. Now color the thick pencil red and the thin pencil purple. Very good kids. Now we have the biggest and smallest. Biggest is the cat and smallest is the butterfly. Now biggest is the pumpkin and smaller is tomato. Now move forward with the tallest and the shortest. Tallest, David is the tallest, John is the shortest. Yes, now we will see the tallest and the shortest. Tallest is the ostrich and owl is the shortest. Now we will move forward to the near and far. An object being far or near relative to any particular thing tells us about the distance of the object from that thing. Now first we see this cow is standing near to the tree. Now we have this cow is standing far from the tree. Now we can clearly see the difference. Now we will move forward. This boy is standing near the car and the girl is standing far from the car. Now we will see longest and the shortest. Longest is the train and the shortest is the scooter. Now train is the longest, scooter is the shortest, largest. Now we will see the longest and shortest. Scale is the longest and the eraser is the shortest. Now we will move forward with the more and less. An object being more or less tells us about the quantity of the object. First, we can see a bookshelf with a lot of books, which will say the more, and the other shelf has the less number of books, which is the less. Now we can see the coins and the currency. These are more and other is the less. Now we have the quantity of the water in the glass, which is more and the other is less. First we can see the basket which are full of fruits, which is more, and the 2 fruits in the other basket, which is lesser than the first one. Now we can see the same and different. First is the apple, which is same to the other apple, and the orange and bananas are different. Now we can see the pencil, which is same and the other is different. Eraser is different and the pencil are same again. Now we will move forward to the activity. Take right the biggest object and cross the smallest object. We have 3 objects here. First is horse, second is dog, and the third is cat. The bigger one is the horse and the shorter one is the cat. Very good, students. Now we will color the tallest green and the shortest brown. Very good, kids. Now we will color the longest orange and the shortest blue. Very good, kids. Now take right the far object and cross the nearer object from the car. Which is the near? Yes, the girl is near and far is boy. Very good, kids. First take right the more object and cross the less object. More objects are 4 apples in the plate and the less objects are 2 apples in the plate. Color the same red and the different purple. Very good, kids. I hope, students, you have understood this very well. You will practice more and more to become perfect in this.